before you sleep tonight, dedicate just 10 minutes to this transformative practice. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and picture your body surrounded by a radiant golden light. Visualize this light gently flowing through every part of your being, dissolving pain, easing tension, and restoring balance. This simple yet powerful visualization can work wonders for your body and mind, setting the stage for healing and renewal as you sleep. Let this light represent health, peace, and vitality, creating an environment where miracles can unfold. Visualization works so effectively before sleep because of the mental state your brain enters as you wind down for the day. During this time, your mind transitions into a relaxed alpha state, which makes it more receptive to positive suggestions and imagery. This state bridges the conscious and subconscious mind, allowing your thoughts to deeply influence your mental and physical well-being. As you focus on healing imagery, your body begins responding as though the visualization is real. This mind-body connection activates the healing processes within you. Research has shown that the brain cannot always distinguish between imagination and reality, so when you visualize healing, your body acts on those signals to repair and renew. In addition, visualizing healing reduces stress, which is one of the biggest barriers to health and recovery. It calms the nervous system, lowers cortisol levels, and encourages relaxation. This shift not only improves your physical well-being, but also enhances your emotional state, making it easier to fall into deep, restorative sleep. The beauty of nightly visualization is that it turns your sleep into an active phase of healing and renewal. While your body rests, your subconscious mind continues to work on the positive imagery you've cultivated, amplifying its effects. To fully accept this practice, it's important to create a peaceful environment that supports relaxation and focus. Begin by setting aside 10 uninterrupted minutes before bed. Turn off screens, dim the lights, and create a calming atmosphere with soft music or essential oils. Once you're ready, settle into a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting upright. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to ground yourself. With each exhale, imagine releasing the stress and tension of the day. Now, start visualizing a golden light entering the top of your head, flowing down through your body like a gentle stream. Picture it soothing every muscle, healing every cell, and energizing your entire being. Focus on specific areas where you feel discomfort or imbalance, allowing the light to dissolve any pain or negativity. End your practice with a sense of gratitude. Thank your body for its strength, resilience, and ability to heal. As you drift off to sleep, carry this peaceful, positive energy with you, knowing that your body and mind are working together to create profound transformation. Visualization is more than just a calming activity. It's a scientifically supported method for improving physical and mental health. Studies show that when we vividly imagine a positive outcome, our brain activates the same neural pathways as if the experience were actually happening. This phenomenon, known as mental rehearsal, can have a profound impact on our well-being. When you visualize healing, your brain sends signals to your body to initiate recovery processes. This includes the release of endorphins, your body's natural painkillers, and the activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and repair. Additionally, visualization reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which can hinder the body's ability to heal. By calming the mind and focusing on positive imagery, you're creating an optimal environment for recovery and renewal. The effects of visualization extend beyond physical health. It also enhances emotional resilience, boosts confidence, and cultivates a sense of control over your well-being. This holistic approach to healing makes visualization a powerful tool for anyone seeking to improve their quality of life. The key to unlocking the full potential of visualization lies in consistency. Like any practice, its effects build over time. Dedicating just 10 minutes each night to this routine can create lasting changes in your body and mind. When you practice visualization regularly, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with healing and positivity. Over time, these pathways become more dominant, making it easier for your body to maintain a state of balance and well-being. Consistency also helps you develop a deeper connection with your intentions. Each night, as you visualize healing, you're reinforcing your commitment to self-care and renewal. This creates a powerful feedback loop where your thoughts influence your actions, and your actions reinforce your thoughts. Even on days when you feel tired or unmotivated, recall that this small act of self-care is an investment in your health and happiness. By showing up for yourself every night, you're creating a foundation for long-term transformation. Incorporating deep breathing with your visualization practice can significantly enhance its effects. Before starting, take a few slow, deep breaths to prepare your body and mind. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your abdomen expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you exhale, imagine releasing all the tension, stress, and negativity accumulated throughout the day. This breathing technique not only calms your nervous system, but also sharpens your focus, making it easier to immerse yourself in the visualization process. While you breathe, picture your healing light growing stronger with each inhale. Imagine it filling your lungs and spreading throughout your body, carrying a sense of warmth and peace. This method deepens the connection between your mind and body, helping you stay present and engaged in the practice. It also enhances the physical benefits of visualization by promoting oxygen flow to your cells, which supports healing and repair. For those struggling with focus, combining deep breathing with visualization creates a steady rhythm that keeps your mind anchored. By concentrating on both your breath and the healing imagery, you minimize distractions and allow the process to flow naturally. This synergy between breath and visualization transforms your practice into a holistic experience that nurtures both your physical and mental well-being. While visualization is often associated with physical health, its impact on emotional well-being is just as profound. As you engage in this nightly practice, focus on areas of emotional pain or unresolved feelings that may be weighing you down. Imagine the golden light enveloping your heart, dissolving the emotional scars and replacing them with warmth, compassion, and love. Visualize situations or relationships that have caused you pain and see the light bringing closure and peace to those memories. Picture yourself forgiving and releasing the negativity, creating space for joy and harmony in your life. Emotional healing through visualization not only improves your mental state, but also has a direct impact on your physical health, as suppressed emotions often manifest as physical symptoms. As you let go of emotional burdens, you'll find it easier to accept a positive outlook and a sense of gratitude. This shift in mindset strengthens your resilience, making it easier to navigate challenges and maintain inner peace. Nightly visualization becomes a safe space where you can process and heal emotional wounds, empowering you to wake up feeling lighter and more balanced. To maximize the benefits of visualization, incorporate a clear intention or affirmation into your practice. As you visualize the golden light healing your body and mind, silently or softly repeat a phrase that resonates with your goals. For example, you might say, "I am healthy, whole, and at peace," or "Every cell in my body is filled with vitality and light." These affirmations align your thoughts with your desires, amplifying the energy of your visualization. The power of intention lies in its ability to focus your energy and give direction to your visualization. By clearly stating what you want to achieve, you're programming your subconscious mind to work toward that goal. This creates a ripple effect, influencing your actions, decisions, and even your external circumstances to support your intentions. As you end your visualization, take a moment to reaffirm your belief in the process. Trust that the universe is working in harmony with your intentions and that your healing is already underway. This mindset of trust and certainty reinforces the impact of your nightly practice, turning it into a powerful tool for transformation. Like any new practice, visualization may come with its challenges, especially if you're new to the process. One common obstacle is difficulty focusing, as the mind tends to wander. If this happens, gently bring your attention back to the golden light and your breathing without judgment. Keep in mind that it's natural for thoughts to arise, and the key is to redirect your focus rather than resist them. Another challenge is skepticism or self-doubt, which can dilute the effects of your practice. If you find yourself questioning whether visualization works, remind yourself of its proven benefits and the countless people who have experienced transformation through similar practices. Approach your nightly routine with an open mind and a willingness to explore its potential, even if the results aren't immediate. Physical discomfort or restlessness can also interfere with your visualization. To address this, ensure that your environment is conducive to relaxation. Choose a comfortable position, adjust the temperature, and eliminate distractions. With time and consistency, these challenges will become less significant, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the healing power of visualization. The true magic of visualization lies in its consistency over time. While a single session can bring immediate benefits, the greatest transformations occur when you make it a nightly habit. To build this practice into your routine, treat it as a non-negotiable part of your self-care, just like brushing your teeth or preparing for bed. Consider creating a ritual around your visualization to make it feel special and meaningful. This might include lighting a candle, playing calming music, or journaling about your intentions before you begin. These small actions signal to your mind and body that it's time to unwind and focus on healing. Track your progress by reflecting on the changes you notice in your physical and emotional well-being. Celebrate the small victories, such as better sleep, reduced stress, or a sense of calm, as these are signs that your practice is working. By acknowledging these improvements, you reinforce your commitment to the process and maintain motivation to continue. Trust in the journey and be patient with yourself. Visualization is not about achieving perfection, but about creating a space for growth and transformation. With each night that you dedicate to this practice, you're planting the seeds for a healthier, more vibrant future. Visualization is a powerful practice that bridges the gap between your mind, body, and spirit. By dedicating just 10 minutes before bed each night, you're creating an intentional space for healing, growth, and transformation. Whether it's physical recovery, emotional clarity, or the pursuit of your dreams, this nightly habit can unlock profound changes in your life. Through consistency, patience, and trust in the process, you're nurturing your well-being and aligning yourself with the energy of abundance and positivity. The golden light of your visualization not only symbolizes healing, but also serves as a reminder of your inner strength and unlimited potential. If you've found these techniques inspiring or helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us share more empowering content with those seeking to transform their lives. Thank you for being here, and may your journey toward a better you be filled with light and possibility.